And we are gagging. I seriously almost threw up.
We cried so much. Our last attempt to throw away this. It has mold. Show the camera.
Okay, our cucumbers were creamy. They're not supposed to be creamy.
Look at this.
No.
We won't look at, don't, just turn your head. We'll look at it in the vlog. We won't throw up then. Hold your breath. Oh, dear God. Oh, back away. Is it out? I don't know. Oh my God, I see it. Oh. I'm just gonna throw it. I don't care. Just throw it. Put it away. You got that on film. Oh, shit. It's black.
Melanie's gonna throw up. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. Wait, but look at this. We're not dirty, guys. But we just haven't been home.
I'm crying so much.
Melanie's eyeliner is ready.
Life Adventures of Eminel fridge.
This is a weekly, maybe monthly.
It's a monthly routine and we gag every time.
Cut! The end.